Luxury jewelry isn't just about diamonds, gold, or precious gemstones. It's about the artistry, the intention, the craftsmanship that transforms raw materials into wearable works of art. While you may find countless pieces when searching for jewelry near me or exploring local jewelry stores, only a few truly embody the exquisite craftsmanship that defines high-end jewelry. If you're in the market for jewelry in Arcadia or browsing jewelry stores in Arcadia, understanding how luxury jewelry is made will give you a deeper appreciation for what makes one piece stand out above the rest. Let's take a closer look at the meticulous, awe-inspiring process behind each luxury piece, and why choosing the nearest jewelry store isn't just about location, but legacy. Step 1. Inspiration and concept design. Every masterpiece begins with a spark of inspiration. In the world of luxury jewelry, design starts with a vision, a silhouette, a moment in time, a texture from nature, or the elegance of architecture. Jewelry designers translate that vision into rough sketches or digital renderings, considering how the design will complement the human form. This step involves more than aesthetics. Designers must evaluate how light will hit a stone, how weight will feel on the skin, and how the piece will be worn, daily or occasionally. High-end jewelry stores often involve clients in this process when creating custom pieces, ensuring the final design reflects personal style and sentiment. Step 2. Wax modeling or CAD rendering. After the initial sketches, the piece is brought to life either through a hand-carved wax model or a computer-aided design, CAD. The wax or 3D model represents the exact dimensions and structure of the final jewelry piece. This step is crucial. It allows artisans to inspect proportions, symmetry, and intricate details before the precious metals and stones are involved. Many Arcadia jewelry repair shop professionals are trained in these techniques and also use similar tools when restoring or reimagining older pieces. Step 3. Casting the base metal. Once the model is finalized, the casting process begins. In most luxury jewelry, this involves lost wax casting, an ancient yet highly precise method. Here's how it works. The wax model is encased in a plaster-like substance. Once hardened, it's heated until the wax melts away, leaving a mold. Molten precious metal, gold, platinum, or silver, is then poured into the mold to form the piece. This is where raw metal begins to take on the life and shape of the original design. When shopping at premium jewelry stores in Arcadia, you're not just buying gold or platinum, you're investing in a piece forged through centuries-old craftsmanship. Step 4. Cleaning, assembly, and pre-polish. After the metal cools and hardens, it's carefully broken out of the mold and cleaned, trimmed, and refined. Skilled artisans file down rough edges, polish surfaces, and begin assembling any multi-part designs. Luxury jewelry often features multiple components, hinges, clasps, or intricate settings that are meticulously soldered or joined by hand. This stage requires extreme precision and artistry. This is also the point where jewelry repair around me searches come into play. If a piece needs resizing or refinishing years after its creation, Arcadia jewelry repair specialists will often reverse engineer this very step to maintain its original beauty. Step 5. Stone selection and setting. One of the most delicate and time-consuming steps is selecting and setting gemstones. Luxury jewelers hand-pick diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, and other precious stones based on cut, clarity, color, and carat weight to match the design perfectly. Once selected, these stones are set into place using techniques such as prong setting for maximum light exposure, bezel setting for secure encasement, pave setting for a diamond-encrusted look. Only the most experienced hands are trusted with this process. A slight misalignment can affect both the look and the longevity of the piece. If you're seeking advice or upgrades, jewelry repair around me often results lead to experts who are trained in these same intricate techniques. Step 6. Final polishing and finishing touches. After the stones are set, the jewelry is polished to perfection. This multi-stage process includes buffing, steam cleaning, ultrasonic cleaning, and rhodium plating for white gold pieces. Artisans also add textural finishes, like high polish, matte, satin, or hammered, depending on the aesthetic. It's the details here that distinguish everyday jewelry from true luxury. When visiting the nearest jewelry showroom, Always look for these refined touches that signal high-end craftsmanship. Step 7. Quality control and certification. Luxury jewelry undergoes rigorous quality control inspections before it ever reaches the showcase or your hands. Artisans check. Stone alignment and security. Metal integrity. Clasp and hinge functionality. Overall craftsmanship. Pieces are also weighed, measured, and assessed for certification, such as GIA for diamonds, before being offered to clients. Whether you're walking into jewelry in Arcadia shops or looking online, always verify authenticity and quality assurance. Step 8. Presentation and experience. The luxury experience doesn't end when the jewelry is finished. It extends to how it's presented and delivered. From velvet boxes and engraving options to personalized consultations and aftercare services, the best jewelry stores in Arcadia understand that the story behind the piece is as important as the piece itself. Jewelry repair, a lifelong partnership. Owning luxury jewelry is the beginning of a journey, not the end. Over time, your favorite pieces may require resizing, stone tightening, cleaning, or refinishing. That's where a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop becomes invaluable. Whether you're dealing with vintage family heirlooms or your newly acquired stingray leather bracelet, jewelry repair around me isn't just a quick fix. It's a preservation of artistry. Seek out a jeweler near me who offers full-service care, including ultrasonic and steam cleaning, resizing and reshaping, stone resetting or replacement, metal refinishing, leather or exotic material conditioning. Why Dorano Jewelry is Arcadia's premier luxury jeweler. At the heart of Arcadia's luxury jewelry scene is Dorano Jewelry, a boutique experience where tradition meets innovation. Dorano isn't just a store, it's where the process of crafting luxury jewelry is elevated into an art form. What sets Dorano apart? Master craftsmanship, backed by decades of experience. One of the most exclusive collections of designer and custom pieces in the region. Personalized, boutique service from design consultation to delivery. An expert, Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop, offering restoration, resizing, and expert care. Access to exotic materials like stingray leather and rare stones. Whether you're searching for the nearest jewelry store for a once-in-a-lifetime gift, looking for jewelry repair around me, or seeking to custom create a masterpiece that reflects your story, Dorano Jewelry delivers an experience as luxurious as the jewelry itself. Visit Dorano's showroom or explore their stunning collections online at www.doranojewelry.com, where timeless design, precision, and elegance await.